So we're gonna do this Middle Eastern style spiced non-beef platter. We got some sweet potatoes diced in here and also some yellow beets. We got a sumac garlic spice blend, a Middle Eastern style spice blend. We got some olive oil in here, salt and pepper, and we're going to just toss that nicely. And we have the oven preheated to 450, and we're going to put this on a baking sheet on some parchment paper and flip it about halfway through, and then we'll go from there. So the beets and sweet potatoes are nicely laid out on the baking sheet, and they're going in there, and we'll flip them when ready. We got a shallot here, gonna half it, and we're gonna thinly slice it. We got some garlic here. We're gonna mince it. Gonna chop off those ends there. We've got some mint here. And just take off the leaves. And we're going to finally chop up the mint. Okay, so we got some garlic and shallots and some oil here, olive oil, and we're going to be using the Gardein Beefless ground round. So we'll just pour that in there. Stir it up. We're gonna add some more of that sumac garlic mixture, a Mediterranean, Middle Eastern style spice mix. Some salt and pepper we'll add, and then we're gonna add some a bit of red wine vinegar and then demi-glace. So we'll add in the spice blend here. So we poured in the red wine vinegar, demi-glace, a little bit of extra veggie broth, stirred it all up. It's pretty much done. I turned the heat off anyway. And then I'm going to season some feta. So I'm going to add some mint, some red wine vinegar, and a drizzle of olive oil, and combine all that up. So we're adding in some feta here, some of the mint, some olive oil, and red wine vinegar. I'm just gonna mix that in. You're perfect. So we'll turn the oven off. So we're going to add some hummus on this plate here. We're adding the hummus, spreading it out. Now we're going to add some of the ground round here. Ground round. Juice. Some of the roasted sweet potato or beets. Now we're going to drizzle this vinaigrette sauce. And we'll just garnish it with the feta with the mint. And feta and the mint. And some extra mint on top. And there you have a simple, nutritious vegetarian dish.